Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by changing the device language because Ibis Paint mirrors the system locale. There is no independent language toggle. Go to Settings, then Language and Input on Android or General Language and Region on iOS, and pick the language you want. Once done, make sure to force close Ibis Paint, swipe it away, or use the App Manager, so the app reloads its localization files. This step ensures menus, tooltips, and labels switch to the selected language immediately. After changing the system language, reopen Ibis Paint and scan the interface. File menus, tool names, and dialog boxes should reflect the new language. If you see a mix of languages, restart the device to clear lingering processes and force a full reload. On Android 13 and later, there may be a per-app language override under Settings Apps Ibis Paint. Use that to lock the desired language without changing the whole device. Make sure the app version is up to date, because newer builds include more translations. If the language still won't change, clear Ibis Paint's cache first. This forces the app to reload language resources. If that fails, export your work in Settings, save brushes, palettes, and layered files, then uninstall and reinstall the app so it fetches the correct localization. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, include device model, OS version, and app version when contacting Ibis support. They may need that data to fix region or localization bugs. Make sure to restore your exports after reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.